Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch multiple games on your YouTube TV. So on your YouTube TV, there's an option to watch multiple games on your smart TV or on your mobile device. But if you want to watch multiple games on your web version, what you can do is you can play two games. So for example, if I want to watch this game and this game, this one is playing on ESPN and this one is playing on ESPN2. So if I want to watch both of them continuously, so what I can do is I can open the second one in the second tab and open this one in this tab.
The College Football Playoff Monday, January 20th, 7:30 p.m. on ESPN.
And what I can do is I can watch both of them simultaneously by dragging them in the middle of the screen. So now I can watch both of these games at once, side by side. So this is how you can watch multiple games on your YouTube TV web version. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.